Welcome to our in-depth technical analysis of ONDS, traded on the Nasdaq. In this video, we'll break down the latest price action, key technical indicators, and what they might mean for the stock's future. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just getting started, understanding these signals can help you make more informed decisions. We'll begin by setting the stage with ONDS's current price, recent performance, and the context of the last 3 months. Let's dive in and see what the numbers reveal about ONDS's momentum and potential direction. As of November 28, 2025, ONDS is trading at $8.24. This price reflects recent volatility and a significant recovery from earlier lows in the quarter. The stock has seen notable swings, with a 52-week high of $11.70 and a low of just 57 cents. This wide range underscores the dynamic nature of ONDS and the importance of closely monitoring technical signals. In the next scenes, we'll explore how ONDS's price has moved over the last 62 trading days and what patterns are emerging. Looking at the last 3 months, ONDS has experienced a roller coaster ride. The stock climbed from early September lows, reaching its peak in early October, before facing sharp corrections and subsequent rebounds. This pattern of surges and pullbacks is typical in high-volatility stocks and often signals active trading and shifting investor sentiment. By examining these trends, we can better understand the forces at play and anticipate possible future moves. Moving averages are essential tools for smoothing out price data and identifying trends. For ONDS, the short-term SMA and EMA values, such as SMA5 at 7.68 and EMA5 at 7.92, indicate recent bullish momentum. As we move to longer periods, like SMA200 at 3.42 and EMA200 at 4.38, we see the longer-term trend is still catching up to the recent price surge. This divergence between short and long-term averages often signals a potential shift in trend direction. Exponential moving averages, EMAs, place more weight on recent prices, making them more responsive to current market action. ONDS's EMA 10 at 7.47 and EMA 20 at 7.19 show a steady upward slope, reflecting the recent bullish push. The EMA 50 at 6.91 and EMA 100 at 5.88 further confirm that the stock's momentum has shifted positively over the past several weeks. This alignment of EMAs is often interpreted as a bullish signal by technical traders. Bollinger Bands help visualize volatility and potential price extremes. For ONDS, the upper band sits at 8.61, the middle at 6.64 and the lower at 4.67. The current price is near the upper band, suggesting the stock is in an overbought zone. The band width of 0.592 and a BB position of 90.62 indicate high volatility and a price that's pushing the upper limits. This could mean a pullback is possible if buying pressure eases. The MACD, or Moving Average Convergence Divergence, is a popular momentum indicator. ONDS's MACD value is 0.207, with a signal line at -0.083 and a histogram of 0.29. The positive MACD and histogram suggest bullish momentum, while the MACD momentum value of 0.364 reinforces this trend. Traders often look for crossovers and divergence in these values to anticipate changes in price direction. The RSI measures the speed and change of price movements, helping to identify overbought or oversold conditions. ONDS's RSI 14 is at 56.68, RSI 21 at 55.15, and RSI 28 at 54.85. These values are in the neutral zone, suggesting there's room for further upward movement before the stock becomes overbought. RSI momentum at 2.33 also points to a steady, positive trend. The stochastic oscillator compares a stock's closing price to its price range over a set period. ONDS's stock K14 is at 90.15, and stock D14 at 79.29, indicating the stock is in the overbought territory. Shorter-term readings like stock K5 at 86.87 and stock D5 at 70.08 confirm this. High stochastic values often precede a price correction, so traders should watch for potential reversals. Momentum indicators like Momentum 10 at 2.73 and Momentum 20 at 1.49 show that ONDS has experienced strong upward price movement recently. The rate of change ROC 14 at 56.95 and ROCP 14 at 0.57 further highlight the stock's rapid gains. These indicators suggest that bullish sentiment has been dominant, but such strong momentum can sometimes lead to short-term pullbacks as traders take profits. The average true range, ATR 14 at 1.1, and an ATR 14 at 13.37 indicate that ONDS has been experiencing high volatility. Volatility 30 at 10.77 and true volatility at 13.37 confirm that price swings have been significant. High volatility can present both risk and opportunity, so it's crucial for traders to manage their positions carefully during such periods. Volume is a key indicator of market interest and conviction. ONDS's on-balance volume, OBV, is over 1.15 billion, and the money flow index, MFI14, stands at 66.3, suggesting strong buying pressure. The relative volume of 1.42 indicates that trading activity is above average, which often accompanies major price moves. Monitoring volume trends can help confirm the strength of a price trend or signal potential reversals. The average directional index, ADX14 at 18.61 and ADXR14 at 22.57 measure the strength of the current trend. With values below 25, ONDS is in a weak to moderate trend phase. The plus DI14 at 24.96 and minus DI14 at 19.25 suggest that bullish forces are slightly stronger, but the trend isn't particularly robust. This means traders should be cautious and look for confirmation before making big moves. Support and resistance levels help traders identify potential entry and exit points. For ONDS, the current pivot point is at $8.20, with resistance at $8.72 and support at $7.72. These levels are critical for short-term traders, as price often reacts strongly when approaching or breaking through them. Keeping an eye on these zones can help manage risk and maximize gains. The Arun indicators help identify the start of new trends. ONDS's Arun up is at 96, while Arun down is at 48, resulting in an Arun oscillator value of 85.71. This suggests a strong uptrend is currently in place. Trend oscillators like these can provide early warnings of trend reversals or continuations, making them valuable tools for active traders. Williams %R at minus 16.28 and the Commodity Channel Index, CCI20, at 146.75 both indicate that ONDS is in an overbought condition. These indicators often precede a short-term correction, as they signal that the stock may have moved too far too fast. Traders should be alert for signs of a reversal or consolidation in the coming sessions. The risk-reward ratio for ONDS is currently at 0.195, indicating that the potential reward is relatively low compared to the risk. This is a crucial factor for traders to consider, especially in volatile stocks. A low risk-reward ratio suggests that caution is warranted and that position sizing and stop-loss strategies should be carefully planned. Linear regression tools help forecast future price movements based on historical data. For ONDS, the slope is 0.013, with a predicted value of 7.62 and a deviation percent of 8.08. While the upward slope suggests a positive trend, the relatively high deviation indicates that actual prices can stray significantly from the model. This highlights the importance of using regression as one tool among many. ONDS's overall technical score is 58.32, with a trend quality index of 54.8 and a momentum score of 25.88. These composite scores suggest that while the stock has shown strong recent momentum, the overall trend quality is moderate. This balanced outlook means traders should remain vigilant and flexible, adapting to new signals as they emerge. To sum up, ONDS has experienced a strong rally, with technical indicators pointing to bullish momentum but also signaling overbought conditions and high volatility. Support and resistance levels, volume trends, and risk-reward metrics all suggest that while there's potential for further gains, caution is advised. Traders should use a combination of indicators and remain alert for any changes in trend or momentum. Thank you for joining us for this technical analysis of ONDS. Remember, technical indicators are powerful tools, but they work best when combined with sound risk management and a clear trading plan. Stay informed, keep learning, and always adapt your strategy to the evolving market landscape. We hope this breakdown helps you navigate your next trading decisions with greater confidence.